Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to hide a folder on Windows 10, 7 and 8. So let's get started right away. So what you want to do is you want to create a new folder, for example, or you can hide one of these, but I'm just going to create a new folder. So yeah, I'm just not going to name it or something, but just to show you guys. Okay, so this folder we want to hide. So what we want to do is click or right click on the folder, select properties, and right here at the bottom it says hidden. So just select that, click on apply, click on OK, and it's now gone, it's hidden. So to get it back, what we want to do is, I think on Windows 10 it already says like right here on the view at the top you have like file, home, share, view and drive tools. We want to click on view. You can just select hidden items at these three boxes right here, and as you can see, this will show the hidden items and the new folder right here. And yeah, that's basically it. And then we can right click again, click on properties, and then deselect the hidden checkbox, click on apply, click on OK, and now the folder is here again, and that's basically it. And for example, if you don't have these home, share and view sort of like buttons at the top, because I'm not sure if these are there on Windows 7 and 8, but on 10 they are. So if you don't have these, just click on file, then click on options, go to view, and then right here, hidden files and folders, you want to select show hidden files and folders and drives. So yeah, just select this and then click on apply again, click on OK, and that is basically the same as you could do here. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.